good morning, everybody. It has been a week since I was here. Thank you, COVID, for derailing such good progress. We are feeling much better. We are both back. And today I am doing the electrical panels under the bed there. And I don't have all the 12-volt switches yet. They're being delivered slowly. Thank you, Amazon, for your slowly service. And I believe Christina's going to build the wall between the bathroom and shower and the wall from the shower to the bedroom area. I think that's today's plan. Today, tomorrow, we are trying to get this thing to a point this weekend where I can have it appraised as an RV under construction. That changes our insurance. So there we go. Let's get started on it, I guess. So while I'm messing around here with the electrical underneath there, Christina's built this wall. I'm probably gonna have to put another brace in the middle there, but for now, there's the wall between the shower and the bathroom, or the shower and the bedroom rather. And we've got it construction adhesive up to the top there. So now she's beginning the one that's gonna go right here between the bathroom and the shower.
Hi. Okay, so we got our walls done. This one right here. This wall is my wall. I did this wall almost by myself. Chris did the top ones because I'm just not tall enough. So I did this wall. This is going to be the wall that's the wet wall for the shower. This is our shower here. This is the back wall. We figured some stuff out with this wall, which I'll let you guys know. And then this is the wall that Chris did while he was in Texas getting COVID. So this wall here, so as you guys might remember, we did a spacer here. I don't know if you can see it really well, but we did a spacer here so that we could put window slats. Well, obviously we're not doing window slats in the shower because we're not having a window. So we had to make this separate little board here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right here. We had to make a separate board to go in here. We had to cut it special. We did have some issues with it. Didn't want to cut. So what we did was we measured here and then we cut it and then we screwed it to this board. And then we made sure that this board was level top to bottom. And then those up there, that's construction adhesive holding those blocks, which is what this is glued into because the ceiling is not square. We don't have anything to really tie it into, so we had to do construction adhesive with blocks. It's screwed in. So, and then it's screwed in all down here. We do have to create still some wall that comes out this way, that way, and the top parts. But walls are done, people. This is our toilet room right here. Toilet room with the window. And this is our non-toilet shower room. And I hope it's big enough for Chris. We have a little shelf down here that we can put, see, a little shelf down there right here that we can put angle it up a little bit so any water will run down. We can put like a bar across and put shampoos and stuff in there. I have to do some test things to figure out how to get some of the yellow out of this board. We've got a few examples coming and I'll show you as I do them. So this is the natural. It pulled out the yellow, which is what we did not want. This is a gray paint here. We don't like the way this looks either. This top part has a little bit of whitewash on it. We don't like the way the paint looks either, so back to the store we go to find colors that we like.
Okay, I have hooked in. I've got our 120 panel just in here for now. I've got breakers and everything. We can put them in later. I'm not worried about hooking in the 110 power right now. I'm focused on the 12 volt and this mass of wires here. I've bought two panels, two 12 volt circuit breaker panel fuse blocks. That's the word. Because of the number of circuits that we have that are 12 volt. Just pretty much everything in the bus runs off 12 volt. So that's what we're doing here. I'm going to connect the negatives together there, and the positives together there, and I'm going to hook one of them, I don't know which one yet, probably this one, to the battery, positive and negative. So that gives me my power to those. And then I'm going to start connecting them all up in here as I go. And I will label them for the cover. The cover goes here. And I will label each one as best I can. Before I head home for today, there it is. Everything hooked up. Everything works. Very happy with that setup. We were back at the bus this morning. I'm going to finish these walls. I've got to do the front and put the doorways in and then skin them. We won't skin the one between the bathroom and the shower just yet. I'm sure we could finish out the bathroom would be fine, but all the hoses and stuff will be going up there for the shower. But that's what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is fire up the bus. I realized on the way here I haven't started the bus in quite a few weeks. So yeah, last time I let it sit too long, the batteries went dead on me. So I'm gonna fire it up, let it run for a little while, and start cleaning up so I can get on this stuff. Yeah, it's running. Okay, here's a little tour of where we are right now because we had to clean it all out for the guy to come do the appraisal tomorrow. So passenger seat will go here. And then we've got the countertop. Christina is in the process of doing the polyurethane on it. Sink's just sitting in there for now. Come to the back. Just looks cleaner now because we had to clean it all up. So here's the bathroom stall and the shower stall. Bed at the back. Dog's kennel will go into here. I have this blocked up here because I put the 12 volt plug for the electric fridge that we have sitting here. So that had to be glued in because there's no way to put a screw in there. So there it is.
And that's where the fridge will ultimately go.
Yeah, the fridge, eventually there will be a probably a residential propane fridge right here in that section.
So like apartment size.
Yeah, apartment size, small one. There we go. Appraiser's coming tomorrow. Hopefully it appraises it as a job well done, so we can get a job well done insurance, and we can move this thing a little bit.